Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to make individual beef Wellingtons. These are a really special kind of thing for dinner because, let's be honest, we're using fillet steaks, so that's expensive, but it's kind of like a really fancy buy. This is a really cute idea for dinner if you want to show someone that they're just a little bit better than a normal beef pie. I'm just really excited because it doesn't take very long to make, it's beautiful, and I'm just so excited to make this because I know Flavia's going to love it, except she doesn't like mushrooms, so we'll figure out that later. Let's do this. These are the ingredients you're going to need. Half a small brown onion, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, 1 large button mushroom finely chopped, 1 egg and 2 teaspoons of water, this is for our egg wash, 2 beautiful fillet steaks. Now we want them nice and thick so that they cook lovely and they're still a little bit pink on the inside. About 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of chicken liver pate. You can use any other pate, but I really love the flavour of chicken. 2 sheets of thawed puff pastry, and then some salt and pepper. So first we're going to take our steaks over to the stove, and with about 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil, we're just going to sear every single side so that it's nice and brown all over. Now, just a little hint with your steaks, you want them to be at room temperature because when you put cold meat onto a hot surface, it can actually make the beef tougher. You want it to be closer to room temperature to stop it being tough. Cook it for between half a minute to a minute on each side, and then we're going to turn it on its side and seal in the edges. Again for another 20 seconds or so on each side. Now, we're just going to take the steaks off the heat and let them rest for about 5 minutes while we saute the onions and mushrooms in the leftover juices and a bit of butter. Our steaks have been resting for about 5 minutes and our mushroom mix is finished. We're first going to smear pate on all sides of our steaks. Then we're going to put maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons of the onion mushroom mixture on the base of our puff pastry. Put our lovely slathered pate steaks on top, wrap it up like a little parcel, put some egg wash on it, and in the oven it goes. And just put a tiny bit of salt and pepper over the steaks before continuing. The pate kind of acts like a delicious gravy for the pie. Add it, you won't be sorry. But I don't want to be a pie. I don't like gravy. And if you find you need to, just cut bits off as you go so that it fits. Because you want it to be a nice little package. There's probably a nicer way to do this, but I don't care. Whee! Place in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit for between 10 to 15 minutes until your puff pastry is golden brown and delicious and flaky. You want the steak to be slightly pink in the middle. This just helps make it nice and moist and delicious. But if you do like your steak more well done, leave it in the oven for another 5 or so minutes until you're happy with the consistency of the steak. Okay guys, so that's how you make my individual beef Wellingtons. They are so cute and adorable. If you just look at these, I'm speechless. They're so cute and they smell amazing. And I hope Flavia likes it, but I love these. This is why I make it all the time. And it's done basically within 20 minutes. So I say, let's eat, because I want to hear Flavia's verdict.
Oh, they look super cute.
I know, they're like little hand pies.
Aww.
But fancy, because it's fillet steak and you check. Enjoy.
Cheers.
Because I know you've had it with mustard before, but the pate actually acts like a gravy.
Yeah, it does.
Mmm. Oh my god.
Oh, it's so rich, but oh my goodness.
Mmm.
And yes, you cannot taste the mushrooms.
You cannot take the mushroom. Flavia's eating it. That means I done good.
You done did it. Oh, and that steak is just beautiful.
Oh, it's still pink all the way through. Oh.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And leave a comment in the section below so that we can make something you've always wanted to eat. Because I love it.
Bye.
Preferably anime or something TV related or something like that or something awesome game related.